April 2024, and this is what the studio looks like right now. I should say this is what's on the studio floor. I'm making a gate. Making a gate for this little nonprofit here in Southern California that I made a few projects for. I'm really blessed to have a relationship with them. But yeah, this is Art Deco style, rising sun. Walk you over to the drawing here. So this is what it's going to look like, something like this. It's called Benevolent Sun, and this is the sun, and it's either setting or rising depending on your perspective. Setting sun speaks a lot, has a lot of poetry. It speaks to time and the day that has passed, and it's a time of reflection and beauty. Sunsets are beautiful. And if you're looking at the other side of it, it could be the rising sun. And rising suns speak to the day ahead and the promise of the future. And I really like that. I like that narrative and that thinking about those things. So it'll have a kind of a zigzag motif here. It's kind of a Latin thing. The overall design is kind of an Art Deco thing. That's a work in progress. I got a lot to go on it. But here, let's step back so you can see the whole thing. So yeah, this is it's a double door. So it'll open in the middle. So this side will go this way, this side will go that way, and it's got a band of circles around it, and then, as I said, the sun in the middle, and there's like rays coming out, and most of this is not in yet. It's just kind of like cut and placed. This enables the design to move a little bit. It's all handmade, so I have to make adjustments as you go along, and it's not completely figured out. Never is. I've always kind of design, build, just shape it, move it as we move along. So I still have to figure out some things. Like here, I think I'm gonna like inlay that band, so it's gonna sink back. So we require like cutting these parts. Same over here, the mirror, and over here I still have to cut the slot for the lockbox and then weld that into place. And I may, not sure yet, I may back the more prominent bands with sheet metal to giving it kind of a solid look, so it like pops more, gives it more depth. Still have to put the horizontal members in, which I also think would be nice. It'll make it less spiky. And the zigzag is gonna go across that side. So yeah, maybe another week or so, and it'll look closer to this pencil drawing here. I don't do this on computer. I do it with pencil and paper. So the scale is never quite the same as what it is, and consequently there's the design changes as you make it a little bit. So here it's a little more stubby in my drawing. But anyways, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Oh, I have a question for you all. Maybe you can help me figure this out. Usually, or many of my projects, I painted it in a black finish, like a flat black. I like black. It's just like a neutral thing, and it doesn't really detract from the design. It's very clean. So I'm thinking, okay, should I do it black again? Or I also like antiquing things, rusting, and making it look kind of old and brown, and then putting like a clear sealer on it. The other option is Maybe 6 months ago, I did this mandala over in Koreatown, and where I did this at, there was a fountain, and the fountain had kind of this greenish patina on it, and I really liked that. So for that mandala, I kind of replicated or referenced that with paint, and I did this faux patina, antique patina with green and blues and brown paints. So it actually looked really, really cool. I was very happy with that finish. Maybe I could do something like that on here. There's nothing really to reference at the location. It's just kind of an industrial building that's going on, brown industrial building. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Over and out.